Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Florence. You are watching TechFace and this video will be covering the smart plug from Wipro. Actually, I bought this thing recently. बल्कि एक नहीं मैंने दो परचेस कर लिए इकट्ठा क्योंकि there was a deal going on Amazon. तो वहाँ पे I got 1900 rupees के दो and these are those good looking smart plugs. तो Wipro के जो smart plug का जो कैटेगरी है उसके अंदर वो दो smart plug निकालती है. पहला आता है 10 एम्पियर का which can be used in like your normal socket और एक आता है थोड़े से पावर सॉकेट का यानी कि 16 एम्पियर का. एंड आई बेसिकली बॉट द 16 एम्पियर यानी कि जो पावर सॉकेट होता है ना एसी के अंदर, माइक्रोवेव के अंदर एंड इन सम फ्रिजेस के अंदर एंड ऑफ कोर्स गीजर के अंदर. तो वो जो वाला है दैट इज एक्जैक्टली व्हाट आई बॉट, 16 एम्पियर का स्मार्ट प्लग ओवर हियर. एंड सेटिंग दिस थिंग अप इज एक्सट्रीमली इजी. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज लाइक डाउनलोड द एप्लीकेशन and just turn on the Wi-Fi and of course GPS and Bluetooth and then go in the application, search for the device and have a look at the smart plug Wi-Fi and then just इसको press and hold करें. इसके अंदर जो blink करेगा ये and then you'll be able to just connect it via your smartphone. I think that is a very easy process and I don't think we need to elaborate on that one. So let's just have a look at this thing from the inside. तो मैंने अभी हाल इसको एक को तो मैंने खोल लिया है, दूसरा मैंने खोला नहीं है. So let's just open the other one over here. And inside this thing we get nothing and literally nothing but this smart plug over here. There is a booklet inside of this one, लेकिन वो booklet इसके मतलब ऐसे अंदर घुस के रखी हुई है. So let's just not drag that thing out. So I'm just gonna keep it over there itself. And yeah, this is the smart plug. I'm gonna show it to you in the B-roll. And it just has this one button on the top. And इसके अलावा इसमें bottom में Wipro के लोगो के just नीचे की तरफ में यहाँ पर it has a light pin hole over here. And there is not a lot of things to talk about in this one. लेकिन one thing is for sure कि इसकी जो build quality है वो बहुत ज़्यादा solid है. Like I can actually hear the humming inside of this. Just you also listen to this. I hope you can hear the vibrations in this one. तो ये बहुत solid है, काफ़ी अच्छा वेट भी है इसके अंदर. इसके अलावा let's just have a look at the overall features of this one. Features के बारे में अगर बात करें अभी हाल तो this smart plug can be controlled via 3 different तरीके. The first तरीका would be to download the Wipro Next Smart Home app. It's available both on Google Play Store and the Apple का App Store. इसके अलावा the most important thing is कि इस एप्लीकेशन के अंदर you can just have a look कि आपका जो भी डिवाइस है, जो भी आपने कनेक्ट करा हुआ है इसके साथ में, like your geyser or refrigerator or your AC, वो कितना पावर ड्रॉ कर रहा है. That is easily and accurately available in the application का data. Apart from that, this application can also be used to just switch this thing on or switch that thing off. So right now my PC is on. If I click over here, it will just switch it off. Just have a look over here. Power. It died. बाकी इसके अलावा you can also control this smart plug via Google Assistant and even Alexa. तो yes, ये Alexa compatible भी है. Also क्योंकि ये 16 एम्पियर का है, this thing can actually take a good amount of heavy devices on itself. I actually did use this thing with my geyser today and I found out कि जो मेरा गीजर है घर का, जो मेरे घर में क्रॉम्पटन का गीजर लगा हुआ है, वो कंज्यूम करता है 2500 wattage, which is just crazy. Apart from that, the whole point of buying a smart plug is basically to convert your non-smart device into something of a smart device or just of course measure the amount of power draw being done by that device जिसके लिए भी आप इसको purchase कर रहे हैं. And I think that will be the video. In case you want to buy this one, please consider currently to buy this thing from the affiliate link given below. If you have got some questions, do drop your comments in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to reply to you. And that is it for this one, guys. Take care and I'm gonna meet you all in the next one.
Peace up.
Peace out.
A-Town.